Keeping tabs on conditions throughout your facility is an important task, one that requires the right tools to collect, organize, and share critical data. Hi, I'm Steven from Teledyne FLIR, and today I want to show you the Extech 250W series of connected meters and how they work with the new ExView app. First, let's look at the meters. These compact meters are designed to accurately monitor relative humidity and temperature, airflow, light intensity, noise levels, and machine revolutions per minute. The Extech 250W series not only captures data, these meters can also display data trends, set alarms, and share data over Bluetooth connection. Best of all, FLIR developed these connected meters in concert with the ExView app to ensure seamless integration. With the app, users can check multiple meter readings at a glance, set alarms tailored to each meter, view measurement data through interactive color graphs, generate custom reports that you can then share from the app, or export data as text files for use in spreadsheets. You can even receive text notifications when a meter disconnects or has a low battery, so you can maintain consistent monitoring. The ExView app can receive data from up to 8 meters at once from nearly 300 feet away, meaning you can station your meters in difficult to reach or even unsafe areas and monitor the readings remotely. Use the app to display measurements in real time on an iOS or Android device with a large screen that's easier to see. Log measurements from all of your meters simultaneously through the app instead of checking each device one by one, saving time during inspections and ensuring nothing is missed. The Extech 250W series connected meters and the ExView app from Teledyne FLIR will help you maintain the safety of your facility and keep your team informed, faster and more efficiently. Learn more at teledyneflir.com.